What is up, my fellow tradesmen and women? This is Sean from Tradesmen Territory. We got a major announcement for you guys. I told you, more trades, more tees are coming. So tonight at midnight, we got 3 tees available. We got our LAYIN pipe tee for all you plumbers, construction workers, laying Schedule 40, laying sewer main, water main, or any other type of pipe. We got you. Next up, MELTIN metal tee for all you welders out there getting after it. We got this tee for you. Followed by our Grinding Gears t-shirt for all you mechanics, you truckers, stay grinding. We got a tee just for you. So tonight at midnight, tradesmenterritory.com. Get your tees. Don't forget our Digging Daily tee, still available. So get it tonight, get it tomorrow. We got you, all right? Get ready for this drop. Soon, we got more trades, more tees coming in the future. Stay updated on our Instagram, all our other socials. And let's enter the territory, baby. Let's go.